All the 90 members of the 7th-term Legislative Council, of China's Hong Kong Special Administrative Region, have been elected. Sunday's Leg co-election was the first since improvements were made to the Hong Kong SAR electoral system.
心里首先是感觉很高兴有这个机会，就是服务就是香港。同时也感觉这个责任很大，所以要把香港的情况就掌握得更好，然后内地的情况也是同样。
As an ophthalmologist, Lam says he will speak out for the interests of not only the medical and health sector, but all walks of life.
我们现在面对的问题远比我们这个医疗这一方面就是更多香港这个房屋问题这个生存区矛盾的问题青年人就是上楼这些问题
Lam also says he hopes to encourage more people to devote themselves to the development of the Guangdong Hong Kong Macau Greater Bay Area.
我2013年已经就进这个湾区就可以说是一个先行者然后就是发展到今天呢，就跟湾区可以说是一同成长但是湾区未来就会腾飞。那么香港就是要一定要融入湾区以及国家发展这个大局我希望我这一个作为一个例子，能够鼓励多些香港人到这个湾区发展，